Welcome back to our channel where we're all about health and wellness. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that affects millions of people worldwide: anxiety. Have you ever felt overwhelmed, stressed, or anxious about certain situations in your life? Well, you're not alone. Anxiety can be a challenging emotion to navigate. But don't worry, because we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be sharing 7 effective strategies to help you deal with anxiety and regain control of your life. And if you like what you see, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. We're always sharing tips and tricks to help you live your best life, and we don't want you to miss a thing. Strategy number 1, understand your anxiety. To effectively cope with anxiety, it is crucial to gain a comprehensive understanding of it. Take a moment to explore what's going on in your life that's contributing to your anxiety. It could be a combination of factors like work, relationships, or personal expectations. Grab a pen and paper and write them down. By identifying the root causes, you'll gain clarity and insight into your anxiety triggers. Strategy number 2, practice deep breathing. Deep breathing is a powerful tool to calm your mind and body. When you experience feelings of anxiety, pause for a moment and direct your attention to your breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose, allowing your abdomen to expand, and then exhale gently through your mouth. Repeat this process several times and feel the tension releasing from your body. Deep breathing helps activate your relaxation response, reducing anxiety in the process. Strategy number 3, challenge negative thoughts. Anxiety often stems from negative thoughts and self-doubt. It is crucial to confront these thoughts and substitute them with more positive and realistic ones. When you catch yourself having negative thoughts, ask yourself if they are based on evidence or if they're just assumptions. Replace those thoughts with affirmations and positive self-talk. Remember, you have the power to control your thoughts and reframe them in a more empowering way. Strategy number 4, engage in regular exercise. Exercise is not only good for your body but also for your mind. When you regularly exercise, your brain releases feel-good chemicals called endorphins that can improve your mood. Whether it's going for a walk, practicing yoga, or hitting the gym, find an exercise routine that you enjoy and make it a part of your daily life. You'll be amazed at how much it can alleviate anxiety and improve your overall mood. Strategy number 5, prioritize self-care. Taking care of yourself is crucial when dealing with anxiety. Make self-care a priority in your life by setting aside time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation. It could be reading a book, taking a warm bath, meditating, or spending quality time with loved ones. Remember, self-care is not selfish, it's necessary for your well-being. Strategy number 6, practice mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness and meditation are powerful techniques for managing anxiety. By being fully present in the moment and observing your thoughts and emotions without judgment, you can reduce anxiety and increase your overall sense of calm. Dedicate a few minutes each day to practice mindfulness or guided meditation, and notice the positive impact it has on your mental state. Strategy number 7, seek support and professional help. Finally, don't hesitate to reach out for support when needed. Talking to a trusted friend, family member, or therapist can provide you with valuable insights and guidance. Sometimes, professional help may be necessary, and that's okay. Seeking therapy or counseling can equip you with coping mechanisms and strategies tailored to your specific needs. In conclusion, dealing with anxiety is a journey, and these 7 strategies can serve as powerful tools to help you navigate that path. Remember to understand your anxiety, practice deep breathing, challenge negative thoughts, engage in regular exercise, prioritize self-care, practice mindfulness and meditation, and seek support when needed. By implementing these strategies into your life, you'll be better equipped to manage anxiety and experience a greater sense of well-being. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.